How to change professional account to personal account. So first of all, open up your Instagram. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Again, at the top right corner, tap on the three lines and go to settings. Now scroll down a bit. Now in the for professional section, tap on creator tools and controls. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on switch account type. Now select switch to personal account. Now confirm it. Now wait for some time. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.